Hello everyone, welcome to British Literature. I'm Professor Usman and I'm going to walk you through the major areas that we'll be using in Canvas this semester. So when you log on, this is what you'll see as our home page. And here I've got buttons for the three most popular areas that you are likely to visit. So I'm going to start here with the announcements. Now this is where I'll post all our updates, all of our homework. You'll see that they will be labeled with the date and the week of the course, as well as the topic, and then you will find important content about what we're working on, where to access the materials, so on and so forth. If a change ever comes that I need to communicate to you about, that will be done through announcements. The second thing we've got here is modules. Now this is where the content actually lives in the course. So you can either click on that button or you see you can get to it in this left-hand toolbar. But this is where all of our coursework will be. So you see once again, we've got our Start Here module. So this is where you'll find everything you need for this first week, including a little bit of information about me, and then guidelines for completing your discussion boards and introducing yourself. And then as you scroll down, just like in the announcements, each module will be labeled by the week, the date, and then the subject of that module. And then within each module, let's scroll down to module 3 here, it'll be divided up into categories. So you'll have an overview of what we're doing. So here you've got a PowerPoint presentation about the Victorian era. You'll have the different readings that you need to complete for that week. So we've got some poetry and a play. And then the tasks that you need to complete for that week. So for instance, on this week, we've got a reading quiz and an imagery assignment to make a meme. And at the bottom, underneath all the modules, you've also got a resource module. These are some links that might help you throughout the semester. So accessing Google Drive, an MLA template in case you need that for reference, and then of course resources for research, our library, and MLA. Finally, you've got a button for the course syllabus. So I would definitely read over this. It's got all of my contact information, all of the materials you need, important notes on how to save and submit work in Canvas, as well as some more technical things about communication, policies, and our class schedule. Not only can you find our schedule here in the syllabus, but I'm going to toggle back to modules here, and you'll see that we've actually got a course calendar as one of the introductory materials up here. And this gives you, again, just like not only a week-by-week breakdown, but day-to-day between Monday and Wednesday. So any given day, you can kind of see what we're doing, what's coming up ahead. And so if anything ever comes up and you need to know what we're doing in class, you can find it there. The last thing I want to make sure you know about is this little inbox feature. If you ever need to get a hold of me, you can send me a quick message through there and I'll see it. Of course, you can also use email to contact me, whatever works best for you. So I hope this helps you navigate Canvas. If you're new to it, let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working in this class with you.